Hey guys, thanks for tuning back in. If you guys want to see how I got this beautiful look, then stay tuned. Hey y'all, thanks for tuning back into my channel. This is CutiePie88. I wanted to kind of start a voiceover here to let you all know that this is not how the wig looked right out of the box. This is already brushed out, but I did want to just put it on to show you all. I did take it out the box the day before because I was so eager to see how it looked, and I ended up brushing it out, and I brushed kind of the waves brushed out, but I still wanted to show you all how it looked, even though I had already brushed it out. And I'm just showing you the parting space and the wig with the lace already on. So here I'll just go ahead and show you guys how I laid the wig down, pretty much just cutting the baby hair, cutting the lace off, cutting the baby hair, and how I applied the unit. So let's take a look. So, okay, guys, the moment you all been waiting for. Let's see if this waving iron will actually put waves back in the hair. As you can see, the iron is on, and I really was trying to figure out a way to add the waves back into the hair since I kind of brushed them out. So fingers crossed. Let's see if this wave iron actually put waves back in the hair. So as y'all see, it's not really working. This is a heat safe fiber wig, but I was really scared to leave the iron on there for too long, but I really don't see it putting waves back in the hair. So it's kind of time for plan B. So I'll just go ahead and brush the wig back out. And right now I'm like thinking, what can I do? What can I do? So at this point, I'm like, okay, let me see if I can add some hairspray, some holding spray to the wig, and it automatically, look at that, look at the difference. Yeah, look at the difference it made when I put some holding spray on the wig. I am using a product called Mitch Stone Set in Stone Hairspray, and it really made a big difference. So I'm spraying the wig with the hairspray, and then I'm brushing it out. Sometimes I actually brush the hair before I put the spray on, but I brushed it, put some hairspray on, and kind of smoothed it with my hands, and it made a really big difference. And I was really impressed for this hack that I found out that I can do to kind of smooth the hair back out without the hair getting hard or crunchy. So yeah, this is a hack. It really worked. So here I just wanted to give you guys another angle of the true length of this wig so you can see it full length, how long the unit is. And this is the final result, you guys. I really hope you like it, and definitely stay tuned for the details and how I really feel about this wig. Hey guys, this is PewDiePie88. I'm coming to you guys with a last wig review from divatress.com. Sorry if I sound a little nasally. I am kind of experiencing some allergy symptoms, but I just wanted to come to you guys to show you this very last wig out of the 3 wigs that divatress.com did send me. All 3 of them were Bobbi Boss units, and this last one is called Miss Origin Designer Mix. And this one is the, of course, 13x6 frontal wig unit with baby hair. Her name is just Body Wave, Body Wave 32, and the model number is MOGL WB032. And this is a Body Wave 32 in the natural brown color. Natural brown color. This is a human hair blend wig, so it's blended with synthetic and human. So it's a human hair blend. It looks like this in the picture, really long. This one is 32 inch. And then it has customizable baby hair. Really nice packaging. I love the Miss Origin Designer Mix packaging. They did a really good job. And this is a 13x6 hand-tied lace unit, and it's a lightweight form-fitting cap, in which I do agree with. It is very lightweight, and it's a very nice fit. It's a flex fit cap.
and it does come with combs and adjustable straps. It is heat safe styling, so you can apply heat to this, and it's a 13x6 frontal unit. So I'm going to just say that I'm very, very impressed with Bobbi Boss and how they really made these Miss Origin units. The lace is amazing. It's very thin and it's very light, and it does blend with your skin very well. So just here's the box one more time. Very, very impressive packaging. So let me get into what I think of the hair. First of all, I like it. I definitely like the hair. This body wave is amazing. I can say it does tangle less than traditional synthetic wigs I've tried. And I really, really like it. So it is the you know, typical body wave. As you guys saw before, I did try to put some waves back in the hair, but it didn't really work out. I didn't want to burn the hair, so I don't know what temperature the wave iron actually goes to, so I didn't really hold the wave iron on there for too long because I didn't want to burn the hair. But basically, I had tried the wig on straight out of the pack, and I decided to brush it out, not knowing that the true body wave would kind of fall out. But it did make it really, really bushy, and the body wave kind of fell out after I brushed it, so I was like, shoot. So by the time I put it on and showed you guys, it had already been brushed out. So I tried to find a way to bring the body wave kind of back into the hair since I had already brushed it out, but I was like, you know, nothing's working. It's not taking the iron like very well like I wanted it to. So I was like, okay, what can really tame the frizz? And I just came up with the idea of using the hairspray, so like holding spray. So this is the result of what the holding spray did. It kind of, I don't know what it did, it kind of smoothed it out, and it's not as puffy, and you can kind of see the wave return. Now this side is a little bit more wavy than this side. I don't know if I like overbrush this side, but one thing I will recommend is not to totally brush out this unit once you get it. Because the true body wave of the hair will probably go away, and you kind of want that body wave to still show it's a body wave unit. So but I really, really, really love the lace on it. Just look at the lace in this unit, and the parting space is amazing. And I love the fact that when you part the hair, it's not hard for you to brush the hair over and to basically tame that part for it to stay. You know, with even like human hair frontals, when you part it, it's like lumpy, and you gotta brush it and put mousse and water just for it to hold down, and like wrap your hair up just for it to hold down for a few minutes. To lay down. This wig, this unit is very, very flat. That's what I noticed. It's very, very flat. It's not too dense at the top. I really, really love that about it. Now, I do feel like the cap is small to medium head friendly. You know, if you do have a larger head, I would definitely not use the adjustable straps. But it is a very comfortable cap. I do have a very small head, so this cap is perfect. It's not giving me a headache. I just use the adjustable straps. I'm not using the comb, and I did use a glueless method. I just put some hairspray to lay the lace down, and this lace is laying down, you guys. Laying down. This lace, look, I'm tugging it, and this lace is so thin and nice. I can definitely tell like it's a Swiss lace. Very, very impressed. I am very impressed with Bobbi Boss and these wigs. I'm gonna kind of stand up to show you the ends of the hair. Very, very, very beautiful body wave, and it's 32 inches, so look, it's long, y'all. Here's my hip right here. It is long. Look, I'm feeling like Rapunzel, but I am very, very impressed. The baby hairs are beautiful. Like, it is a beautiful, beautiful unit. I wouldn't say this is an everyday wig. This is definitely a going out wig, but if you want to go out and have a more like natural feel, you know what I'm saying? Like a more natural feel, not like big body curl. You just want something natural and like natural wave. This is the go-to unit. Like, this thing is amazing. Let me know what you guys think. I'm trying to think of anything bad to say about this unit. I easily plucked the part to kind of widen it a little bit. I'm trying to think think of something bad to say. Like, it's not tangling. Even when I plucked the hair and I brushed it to get all the hair that I plucked out, it was not tangling. I mean, of course, it is a synthetic unit. You can't treat it like 100% human hair. So throughout the day, you know, you're gonna have to brush it and things like that. But this hair is beautiful. It is such a great dupe, like a dupe for virgin hair. You would never know. So like I said, this is a natural brown. It does come off a little dark, but it's not shiny. I noticed that with these, it's not shiny now. It may be coming out shiny a little bit because I did add some hairspray. So I did add some product in this unit just to kind of tame the frizz a little bit. But you guys can't tell me that this is not a beautiful wig. It's so flat. It's not bumpy. I am really, really feeling it. Look at this. I did add some powder, and I do have a tan cap underneath, so you can kind of see the knots a little bit there, but just look at this lace, like the way it blends in. I just did like light baby hair. Y'all, y'all need to definitely check out this line, the Miss Origin line. Y'all will not be disappointed, especially with the lace. Like, y'all did a great job, Bobbi Boss. Once again, thank you, Diva Tress, for reaching out to me and allowing me to review these units. But I am blown away impressed. I'm blown away impressed with not only the hair, but the lace quality. Y'all, I would definitely spend my own money to buy these. Like, I'm thinking about looking through the line and finding another one that I love and that I want to try and actually purchasing it with my money. Just look. Gorgeous. This is not, like I said, for girls that can't handle long hair throughout the day. This is the 32 inch. This is the 32 inch one, but I love it. I love it. Thanks you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Once again, thank you, Diva Tress. Thank you, Bobbi Boss. Let me know what you think in the comments below. The link will be below if you want to purchase this unit. Let me know what you think. Rate, comment, like, and definitely subscribe so you don't miss any more of my future videos. Thanks again for watching, you guys. Bye.